Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to make 10 delicious meals without breaking the bank. Cooking on a budget is easier than you think. Let's start by gathering fresh ingredients. Planning ahead will help you save money and enjoy nutritious meals. Now it's time to prep and cook. We'll show you simple techniques to create meals that taste great without a hefty price tag. First up is a refreshing salad. Mix some affordable veggies and a simple dressing for a healthy meal. Next, we have a classic pasta dish. Just boil some pasta and add a homemade tomato sauce. Easy and delicious. A quick stir fry is next. Use whatever veggies you have and some protein for a filling dish. Finally, let's make some tacos. Ground meat and fresh toppings make this a fun, budget-friendly meal to enjoy.